In this video, I will talk about the top 5 altcoins I will buy in April 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Before we will talk about the 5 coins for April, I will talk about a project which will launch at the end of April. We will talk about the very promising project Fuel on Blast with the Pause token. Fuel on Blast offers a platform for creators to easily design and launch their own tokens and complete with customizable features. The tokens can be launched on the creators' chosen DEX, funded either through liquidity loans, which are repayable by taxes or direct payments, or by self-funding, and the platform's native token Pause, which will launch in the end of April, grants users access to additional features, discounts and more. So with Fuel on Blast, it's easy to launch your own token, so no coding is required, which is a really nice opportunity. And if we are clicking on testnet, you can also explore the already created tokens, and you will also find the native token Pause, which I was talking about, and you can stake the Pause and also find the airdrop right here. So I think it's a very interesting project which will launch this April. So let's start with coin number 1, which is LCX. LCX is right now on place 243 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $300 million. I think LCX has a massive potential, and if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we saw this bullish trend to the upside, and we also saw this weekly body close over this last highs right here. And with the current weekly candle, we are also retesting this last highs and going to the upside. So I think the chances high that we could see a massive explosion in the near future for LCX. And I also made 2 videos about LCX, and I think the chances high that we could see prices around $5 to $8 for LCX in the top of the bull run. So just from the prices right now to this potential price hikes, we would have potential over 1,400 to 1,800%. The second coin on my list for April is Flux. Flux is on place 192 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $400 million. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we have this strong bullish interest. We first broke this supply zone and then this last high here with this weekly body close to the upside. And right now we are seeing this retracement, and the chance that we could continue the bullish trend from these levels is very high. I personally see a lot of potential in this project, and I could imagine that we see a 50x from the prices right now. And if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we had a lot of potential to the upside. And we are right now retesting this last supply zone. So I think this project is very interesting for April. And if you want to buy or trade one of these projects, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and you can get up to $5,150 bonus using my link. You will find a link in the description. And coin number 3 is Ondo. Ondo is right now on place 90 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. And Ondo is one of the most promising coins in the real world asset niche. And I think the real world asset niche will be one of the best crypto industries in this cycle. The coin is very new, but we are already in a strong bullish uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. And we are right now retesting this demand zone and breaking out of this again. So the chance that we could continue the trend and move to even higher prices is there. And the market cap for a new coin like Ondo is very high. And much retailers are buying now Ondo, so I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices, especially in April. Coin number 4 is AI Tech. This project is on place 378 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $150 billion. The project is on place 378 with a market cap of $150 million. And this small AI project was exploding in the last weeks. And I was talking about it multiple times in my videos. And I think the potential of AI tech is immense high. And if you can see, if we have a look in the chart, we saw this bullish explosion. We then saw this correction to the downside. And right now we are consolidating in this demand zone. And if we are now going to the upside and breaking this last highs to the upside, then the chance is high that you could see even higher prices in the near future. And I think this is an easy 20 to 50x project for this bull run because it's one of the most promising AI crypto coins. And we just have a market cap of, as I said, $150 million, which is not much for AI projects right now. And if we are seeing the peak of the bull run, I think the chance is high that you could see even higher prices. And the last coin on my list is HBAR. HBAR is the biggest project in this list and on place 38 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.5 billion. A lot of you guys know HBAR, and I think it has a great potential to the upside, especially for the peak of this bull run. And we finally saw this breakout out of this supply zone, which was consolidating for more than 1 year. And right now we are retesting it. And if we are seeing a bullish reaction then I think the chances high that we could see a massive explosion. So I think it's a great time to get into HBAR if you're not in HBAR right now in this month, in April. And just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 430%. And I think this kind of price targets are realistic for this bull run. I think a minimum price target of 91 cents is very realistic, and this kind of price targets are way more bullish for this bull run, but are also possible. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like HBAR or the other projects, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. 3, 2, 1. So guys, this was my top 5 coins for April. Thank you really much for watching, guys. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.